Hi friends. So basically, I will follow this tutorial where first thing we need to do, we need to download the Docker desktop software. If you click on this link, it will give you the .exe file that I have already downloaded and installed the Docker desktop software in my system. So let me show you. It is already installed Docker desktop, and I am running this software now. Starting the Docker engine. Okay. Uh, After you install the Docker desktop, you need to install two more softwares, that is Yoga DNS and Mutation. So this Yoga DNS is again a .exe file that we need to download it and install. I have already downloaded the Yoga DNS setup, so let me install it. So here I want to mention one thing, that this comes with a pro version, but you don't need the pro version. You can exit from here without entering in license. We basically we no need to purchase this software for now. Okay. The next thing is we need to install the mutagen in Docker desktop. So let first open the Docker desktop and we need to click add extension. Before we install the mutagen that I have already installed it, I'm going to show you how you can install it. First we need to sign up in Docker Hub. If we click on the sign up, it is a very simple form that we need to fill up and need to create an account in Docker Hub. I have already created an account. Now I'm going to log in here. Okay, you can see I'm logged in here. Now from here we need to search. So again, I have already installed the mutagen. If you not yet install, you will see install instead of open. So from here, please install the mutagen, and the basic requirements we are done, and we will go to the next step, that is downloading reward and install it. So for Windows, we need to download the reward software from here. If you click on this link, it will give you a zip folder that we need to. It will give you the zip folder that I have already downloaded, and we need to extract this zip folder to any folder like C colon bin. It is not necessary that we need to create this folder structure. You can keep this extracted folder in your system anywhere. I have kept this under my C drive. I have created a folder like reward, and in this folder I have extracted the software. You can see here I have extracted the reward here. After this, we need to add a system path. There is a nice guide. If you click on this link and follow these steps, advance, we need to click environment variables, and from here path, and then we need to click new. Sorry, click on edit, and see I have already added my path where I have extracted the reward software. So for you, you need to click on new and enter your uh, folder path where you have extracted the reward software in your previous step. After this, we need to set up the reward. So basically, we have to run this reward install. So it will run the terminal. and run this reward install. It is saying the reward is already installed. I have already installed it, so I am not going to install it again. So for you, you need to type yes, and you need to install the reward from here. It takes a little more time. I mean, around 2 to 5 minutes takes. So I am skipping this step now. And after that, we need to run our global services from here. Global service, after you install the reward, you need to run this command, reward SBC app. It will start your global services. You can see what are the global services that reward provides. There is PHP, Elasticsearch, Mailhub, all these global services you will get. So let me run my global services. So, and you can see what are the global services already created. You can see here in Docker desktop. So now after all of this, we'll go how we can set up the Magento 2. So there are various ways how we can set up a Magento 2. One is Press Magento, one is importing a Magento 2 project. I am going to show you a Press Magento 2. So for that I will create a folder path. I'll keep my Magento here in this folder, Magento 2. Let me close this. Open my terminal here. I am now under Magento, and then I need to run your unit and my folder name. So I create this folder. So as soon as you run this command, uh, reward creates a environment configuration where this is going to your local server URL magento.test, and these are the Elasticsearch PHP version, Redis, all of this version. So actually, I'm going to install a fresh Magento 2.4.3, and Magento 2.4.3 does not run under PHP 8.1. So I'm changing this version to 7.4, and after that, yeah, and then got cell. So this is actually your cell where from where you will run your Magento commands, that is setup, upgrade, catch a clean, di compile, all of those Magento 2 commands from this cell access. And after that, we need to download the Magento 2 software from here using Composer. Now I have already an Adobe account. Uh, so basically, this public key and private key are the access key that you will get from your Adobe account. I have already an Adobe account. Adobe account. Sorry, don't know how you'll get your access key. You can search here and like this, you'll get your uh, access keys. If you have not created any access key, then click here and create public and private key. So this is actually required to download the Magento software. So you can see here I'm going to run for my sale access. Okay, now I exit, and the next step is this is bootstrap. This is the last command. The bootstrap, it will create a Magento instance for you. It will download everything, set up, upgrade, all the commands will run, and it will create a Magento setup for you. So this is the last step, your bootstrap. But you can see there are various options, and I already told you that I'm going to install Magento 2.4.3. So I'll pass the Magento version 2.4.3 and hit enter. Yes. It takes a little time. After this step completes, you will get your Magento setup. And after this step completes, it will also display what is your Magento 2 admin URL path. Everything it will display after the end of this step. Okay, friends. So as I told you that it takes a little time. I don't want to wait till then. So these are the basic and simple steps. If we follow these steps, we can run Magento easily in Windows under Docker desktop. Okay, friends. If there is any problems or any queries, please feel free to post a comment in my video. Thank you guys. See you again. Bye.